Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD forecast aiming at 1.33 amid Powell's speech, Hogan's departure, bullish technicals analysis http ntvforex.com news ID D710728272028 54:23 am GBP USD has been rising amid dollar weakness ahead of a critical speech by Fed Chair Powell. The resignation of the EU's Phil Hogan may soften Europe's approach to Brexit. NBSP Thursday's 4-hour chart is showing bulls are in control. NBSP is Brexit becoming better. Michel Barnier, the gruntled chief EU negotiator, is still in charge, but he lost a close ally, Phil Hogan. The tall Irishman was prominent in influencing future commercial relations between Brussels and London through his post as Commissioner of Trade for the EU. NBSP Hogan is out following his violation of quarantine rules in his native Ireland. The European Commission may struggle to find a replacement as formidable and knowledgeable of the sensitive issues on the Isle of Ireland like the outgoing official. NBSP uncertainty about EU-UK relations hamstrung sterling and bulls may find some relief, allowing GBP USD to rise amid dollar weakness. NBSP the main of the week is due out later on Thursday. Jerome Powell, Chairman of the Federal Reserve, will deliver a highly anticipated speech in the virtual Jackson Hole Symposium. Powell is set to lay out a new policy framework, allowing inflation to temporarily surpass the 2% target, catching up with slow rises in consumer prices beforehand. NBSP while inflation is far from being a concern and rates are set to remain around zero through 2022, the long-term shift may weigh on the dollar. If investors foresee low borrowing costs for longer, yields on U.S. Treasuries could fall, dragging the greenback along with it. Powell's projected policy statement is not fully priced by markets, and confirming the shift could trigger a fall in the dollar and a rise in cable. The devil may be in the details. See NBSP Powell speech cheat sheet. 3 scenarios for the dollar and stocks. Powell's Jackson Hole Symposium preview. Inflation's virtual reality. 2 American economic indicators serve as a warm-up to the Fed Chair's speech. Initial jobless claims are set to decline in the week ending August 21 after rising in the previous week and causing concern. The first revision of second quarter gross domestic product is set to show a minor improvement, albeit from a record crash of 32.9% annualized. NBSP US initial jobless claims preview. It is the trend that matters. US GDP. Will the corona quarter look better at second sight? Not necessarily. Coronavirus headlines are mostly positive on both sides of the pond, with cases declining in the US and seemingly under control in Britain. Efforts to develop a vaccine are in full force, and fresh headlines regarding medical developments could boost sentiment and depress the safe haven dollar. NBSP overall, the combination of Hogan's departure and a dovish Powell could boost pound dollar. NBSP GBP USD technical analysis. Cable continues benefiting from upside momentum on the 4-hour chart and is trading above the 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages. Moreover, the relative strength index remains below 70, outside overbought conditions. NBSP resistance is at the recent high of 1.3265, followed by the late 2019 peak of 1.3330. The next level is December's peak of 1.3510. NBSP support awaits at 1.3185, which was a swing high in early August. It is followed by 1.3150, a peak earlier this week, and 1.3130, a low point on Thursday. 1.3050 and 1.3005 are next. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.